FieldPulse sync failures are usually caused by connection problems, app issues, outdated software, or temporary problems that prevent data from updating correctly between devices. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot FieldPulse when jobs, customer information, schedules, or other data stop syncing. Start by checking your internet connection. FieldPulse needs a stable connection to send and receive updated information between the app and your account. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test whether the connection is causing the sync problem. If syncing starts working after changing networks, your connection may be the issue. Next, close the FieldPulse app completely and reopen it. Restarting the app can refresh the connection and trigger another sync attempt. If the problem continues, restart your phone or tablet. A device restart clears temporary processes that can interfere with app performance. Check your App Store for a FieldPulse update. An outdated app version can create problems when the service changes or when your device software updates. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, search for FieldPulse, and install any available update. If FieldPulse opens but certain information is missing, confirm that you are signed into the correct account. Sync issues can happen when the wrong account or user profile is being used. Check whether the sync problem happens on one device or multiple devices. If only one device has the issue, the problem is likely related to that device rather than your FieldPulse account. If you use FieldPulse offline, connect your device to the internet and allow the app time to upload pending changes. Offline changes may not appear on other devices until they sync successfully. If the app continues failing to sync, check whether other FieldPulse features are working normally. This helps determine whether the problem affects syncing only or the entire app. If basic troubleshooting does not fix the issue, contact FieldPulse support. Provide details about the device you are using, your app version, what information is not syncing, and when the problem started. Avoid deleting the app before confirming that any unsynced work has been saved. Removing the app can risk losing information that has not been uploaded. The main fixes are checking your connection, restarting the app, updating FieldPulse, verifying your account, and contacting support when syncing still fails. To recap, FieldPulse sync problems usually come from connection issues, outdated software, or account-related problems. Your next step is to test your connection and update the app before moving to support. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other field service software troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.